Hello friends, welcome to SAP Knowledge Transfer channel. Today's session is SAP MM subcontracting process. This is one type of special procurement process. Before going to session, like and share my video. If you have any doubt query, feel free to comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. What is subcontracting process? The subcontracting process company will send to raw material to subcontractors. The subcontractor finally make a finished material send back to company. Example, the CPU and monitor is a raw material in our company. So we send the both raw material to subcontractor. They will make a finished goods as a computer. They assembled the CPU and the monitor. They make it the computer. The computer sent back to our premises. This is a subcontracting process. So prerequisite for subcontracting process, raw material code and stock should be available in SAP. Finished material code should be in SAP. Purchase info record category in subcontracting. BOM should be available for finished goods. Purchase order created with item category as a L. So these are the main prerequisites for subcontracting process. Let's see practically. For first we require for raw material for send back to vendor. So we'll already we have material. We'll check the material list. T code MM 60. Our plant is so here already we have the material or raw material is CPU and monitor. Here material type is ROH. This means raw material. Here computer. The computer as a metal type is finished. So we have the raw material to send back to vendor. You check the system stock for the raw material. As of now, we don't have raw material stock in system. So we will make stock in system. So we will create PO for the raw material. T code ME21N. System will processing. Select the vendor. Company code is 0154. We will select vendor. Put the material, raw material 2906 2907. PO quantity is 10 number. Brand KU P1 001. System will processing. Create purchase organization. Enter the price. Save the P1. System will processing. Purchase order created. Purchase order number 17740. We can invert the material. T code MIGO MIGO. My SAP server is getting slow. Enter the purchase order number. Select the quantity. What's the GRN? After GRN completion, we'll check the system start. Using T code MOVE. System getting slow. GRN is completed. Now check the system start. 10 numbers type is invalid. These are the 2907 also available. Use the system stock for the initiative material. There is no stock in for finishing material. Now we created for purchase info record. This item category is when for subcontracting. MET code ME11. We select the vendor. Purchase organization KPA. The info category should be the subcontracting. This is a mandatory selection field for subcontracting process. With the material number is finished goods number, which is 2908. given the remainder days to vendor. Delivery date is 10 days. I will given standard quantity 10. And unit price I will mention for monitor 40,000. The purchase info record is created. Now create as a BOM bill of material for finished goods. Take code CS01. Given the finished material, plant, BOM usage 3 is a universal. Enter. Inside we put the components, which are the components we send to subcontractor. $2906, $2907. Quantity how much you want send. Enter. Save. BOM is created. Now we explode the BOM. T code CS11. BOM application. Press execute. Just to see the explode the BOM. The finished material is 2908. The component, two components 2906, 2907. And now we create a PO for subcontracting process ME21 and we select the vendor. Inside purchase organization KEPA, purchase group company code. The item category should be in L. L means subcontracting. The material should be the finished material 2908. Your quantity will mention 10. KEP1 storage location. Now you go to material data. Here you see that components available inside. The two components are available. I will mention quantity 10 number. This also 10 number means the CPU will 10 number. We send the CPU 10 number. Monitor 10 number means the computer should assemble 2908 computer should be assembled 10 numbers. Save it. Save the PO. PO number is generated. After completion, PO number 17741. You go to goods issued to subcontractor. T code MB1B. Movement type 541. Storage location 001. You click here to purchase order. You enter the purchase order. Click Add plus details. Here 2906 part number will come. Next 2907 part will come. Quantity mentioned here. Now save the enter. So now the parts are sent to subcontractor. We see the system start. T code MMVE 2906. You see here Here stock provided to vendor, quantity is 10. Like same 0907, stock provided to vendor, quantity 10 quantity. If you want as a multiple part number in the subquantity in stock, T code MB, LB, given a material 2906, 2907, plant, you see the vendor is ABC vendor, part number, the quantity is available in vendor. Now we will make GRN for the supplier return back send the material to our company. So we will invert the material. So we will check that P1 number for that material. 7741 MIGO, enter P1 number. I will enter quantity. This is the main part number. So computer. So inside sub part available CPU and monitor 10 numbers. So we check entry before the goods. Now you go to check the stock and system. (2906) stock should be 0. 2907 stock should be 0. The both raw material stock should be 0 in system. 2808 finished material should be received as a 10 number. So two raw materials assembled by subcontractors sent back to our company as a finished material. So this is the overall subcontracting process. I hope this is very useful for us. Like and share this video. If any doubt or query, feel free to comment. Please subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Thank you friends. Let's see next session.